the program, how it works with the stack. Now I am sharing my screen with you. You just see this. Now screen is visible. Just you raise your hand like this if it is screen is visible. Okay, very good. So this is the program of stack. This is a complete program. In that we have done push operation, pop operation, display, and find the peak position. Peak position means top of the stack. So these means first function name is push function, second function name is pop function, then third function name is peak function. Peak function is for showing the top of the stack, means top element of the stack. Then display function. These are the four functions, and 5 operation we will perform here. One is push operation, second one is pop operation, third one is peak operation, fourth is display stack, and last is exit. Exit means come out from the program. Before starting this program, first you see the output, how our stack will work. When I run this program, see this. First of all, it will show the menu, stack operations. In that we are performing push operation, pop operation, peak, display, exit. So here numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you enter your choice either from 1 to 5, it will perform accordingly. Just like when I press enter 1, that means our choice is 1, means we want to perform push operation. Press enter key, then enter item. Now this time I want to enter 10. Then stack operation, again message is coming. What you want? Again you want to push. What you want? You want to remove an event. Yeah, you want to see the peak position. Whatever you want to do, you can do from here. So again I want to just insert one element in the stack. Then write choice 1. That means push. Now enter item, that is 20. So here 20 is entered in the last. Once you see the stack, means select number 4. Fourth number is for display stack. Once you select this step choice number 4, you will get, see here, you will get two things, 20 and 10. means 20 is inserted at the last. जो last में element insert होगा वो first में निकलेगा. तो that means 20 is locating at the top of the stack. Is it clear? This is a top. Then suppose that I want to remove one element from the stack. What I will do? Select choice number 2. Choice number 2, that is called pop. Pop means remove an element from the stack. Once you select choice number 2, then it will remove top element. That means popped item is 20. Automatically it will remove 20 because 20 is stored at the top of the stack. Means the stack always remove last element which you have inserted. So here we have inserted 20 in the last, so it will remove first. So 20 will remove from this. Is it clear? Now you have to see your stack after deleting an element. Press 4 means display stack. Now there is only one element, that is called 10, or now 10 is a top element. Is it clear? Again you want to insert one more element in the stack, then 1, choose one option, 1 means push, and then insert 30. Similarly again one more element like 40. See, display stack. So this time 40 is inserted at the last, so that is the top of the stack. Now this time I want to choose our choice 3. 3 means peak position. So means top of the stack में कौन सा element है? Once you click on this, you will get topmost item is 40. Means 40 is stored in the peak of the stack. Peak means top position. Is it clear? Or once you select this last one, that is called choice 5. That means you will come back from your program. See, exit क्या करेगा? आपको program से बाहर ले आएगा. Is it clear? First, push operation. Push operation means insert an element in the stack. Pop operation, remove top element from the stack. Then peak, topmost element. It will display topmost element. Display stack means each element is displayed through this option. And fifth one, exit. Exit means come out from the program. These are the 5 operations we can perform with the help of this program. Is it clear? Now see the program. You know very well your program always begin with the main. So this is the main part. We start from here. First of all, you have to take a list. You have to take a list that is an empty list, or we can implement our program either through the list or second one is linked list. Now this time we are working with the list. Clear? Stack implemented as a list. Is it clear? So this time we are working with a list. So first of all we have to take an empty list, means stack is empty. One by one we can insert element in the stack. If in stack is empty, so means that the top position of the stack is none, means no element present in the stack. So top value is none. None is a keyword, that means it is empty. Then while is a loop. Then true means it is a boolean value. If it is true, then we come inside the loop. If it is false, then we cannot come inside the loop. So now this time we are taking loop value is true. Means first time it is true. Clear? Then print. So these are the 6 print statement. So print statement is used to print message or variable value in a separate line. So stack operation is the first line, then push, then pop, then peak, then display stack, exit. So these many lines comes in output screen in a separate manner. After that, ch is a variable to take the user's choice. Means what user want to do. User want to push, pop, peak, display or exit. Here we are taking value as an integer. That's why we have written int as a typecast. Then input is a function that is used to take value from the user. Okay, it will take value in form of string, or int will convert this string value into integer. Now enter your choice 1 to 5, means from 1 to 5 you choose any one number. After that, if you choose 1 means choice number 1, then it will perform push operation. Else if your choice is 2, then it will perform pop operation. Similarly, if your choice is 3, it will perform peak, means it will display topmost element from the stack. Then if your choice is 4, then it will perform display stack operation. And if your choice is 5, that means last one, this one last one, that means break means jump out from the loop. तो ये इस लूप से बाहर आ जाएगा. जो while लूप चल रहा है इससे आपका बाहर आ जाएगा. और अदर, suppose that you are choosing number like 6, 7, 8, 9, any other number except from 1 to 5 range, तो क्या होगा, else one will execute और यहाँ पर मैसेज आएगा invalid choice. Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear or not? Okay, very good. Now I got the message from Kaushal. Now, so first operation, suppose you just choose number one. Number one is for push operation. In push operation, we need two things. One is the stack and second one is item which we want to insert in the stack. So item, just like in the example we have discussed 10, 10 we want to insert. So enter 10. So 10 is the value of item. First element we want to insert like 10. So 10 is the value of item. Stack, this time stack is empty. The value of stack is empty stack, means empty list, comma, then item value is 10. So we are passing these two parameters in function push. This is the calling part. Now calling function goes to the called function, means definition of the function here. The value of stack goes as tk variable, that means empty list. Then the value of item remain 10. Then stk dot append. You know very well why we use append function. You know append function, working of append function. Append function will add one more element at the last of the list. Is it clear? Last of the list. So this time list is empty. We want to add one element. That element is 10. So 10 will insert it at the last. Now in the stack, new stack value is 10. Top equals to len stk minus 1. Now the length of the stack is 1, means this time one element present in the stack, the length is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 0 is the index value of top, means you know very well list always begin from the 0 index. So that's why the value of top is 0. Is it clear? Yes or no? Raise your hand if it is yes. Any doubt, please ask. Okay, is it clear? The working of push function. In the push, we need two parameters. One is stack. This time our stack is empty. Then we want to insert first element. The value of item is 10. Then stk dot append item. Then means 10 will insert it in the stack. Then the length of the stack is 1, because we have inserted one element in the stack. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 0 is the top value. So means first value is inserted in the stack. Is it clear? Everyone? Sachin, is clear? Kalash, Karthik, Dolly? Very good.
Yes.
Now next, suppose user choose 2, case number 2. What will happen? As if choice number 2. Choice number 2, that means we want to remove an element from the stack. That is called pop operation. Now pop. In pop we need only one element. There is जो item है वो हमें नहीं चाहिए, because it will remove automatically top of the stack element. जो ऊपर सबसे ऊपर होगा वो ऑटोमेटिक डिलीट हो जाएगा. तो हियर वी डोंट नीड आइटम, ये नहीं चाहिए हमें. इज इट क्लियर? वी नीड ओनली stack. So pass this stack as a parameter in function pop. The value of stack is stored in stk. Now suppose that in stack, okay, forget it. Value of stack is only 10, means only one element present in the stack. Is it clear? Now this time in stack there is 10. 10 is the element, so means the value of top is 0. Clear? If is empty stack, so this time this condition is false, because in stack there is one element. Yes, come to the else part. Come to the else part. Now stk dot pop. Pop function will remove one element from the top of the stack. So now this time 10 is removed and this is stored in variable item. Top of the stack क्या है? 10 है. 10 कहाँ remove होगा? Stack से remove होगा. किसमें store होगा? Item में. So the value of item is 10. Is it clear? Value of item is 10. Now length of stack equals to 0. After removing the element, the stack length is 0. Yes or no? Yes, because there is no element. At the beginning, we have only one element, that is called 10. After removing, means ये element remove हो गया, so the length of the stack is 0. 0 equals to 0. That means it's assign none in top variable. Means now the top index is none. Then come to the return part, because if condition true हो गई तो else में नहीं जाएंगे. Now this time our if condition is true, the value of top is none. Come to the return part, return item. Item is 10. The value of item is 10 because 10 is removed from the stack. Now come from here. What is the value of item which is written? 10. 10. If item equals to underflow, no. This time item is 10, means this condition is false. This condition is false. Come to the else part. It will display a message like popped item is 10 because the value of item is 10. Is it clear? Suppose that again you want to delete one more element from the stack. What will happen? See here. Again you just want to perform pop operation, but we know there is no element present in the stack. This time stack is empty. Clear? Again you just choose choice number 2. Pop stack. Stack value is empty, means empty list. It goes here in the pop part. The value of STK is empty list. If is empty, yes, now this time it will return true because this time our stack is empty. Yes, it is true, so it will return underflow. It will return underflow. So what the value it will return? It will return underflow. Come here in this line. The value of item is underflow. Now check the condition. If the value of item is underflow equals to underflow. Yes, according to this, because we have got value underflow from the pop function. So underflow equals to underflow. Yes, it is true. So it will display underflow. Stack is empty. This message we will get. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? Again, you look here. Suppose that we don't have any element, means no one element present in the stack, and but we want to remove one element from the stack. Stack में element है नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी हम एक element delete करना चाह रहे हैं. So what will happen? See, choose choice number 2. Choice number 2, pop stack. This time stack is empty. Stack is empty. Come here in the pop part. Value of stack is empty. Yes, according to this statement, it will return true. Is empty is a function. It will check stack is empty or not. So it will return true. If it is true, then this function will return underflow. Underflow is a string value. It is written in the double quotation mark. It is a value. This value will store in variable item. Now the value of item is underflow. Check this condition. If item equals to underflow, so means the value of item is underflow. Underflow equals to underflow. Yes, it is true. True. The program will display a message underflow stack is empty. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Lokesh, it is clear. Raise your hand if it is clear. Shweta, it is clear. Arvinder, Karthik, Sarans, Diksha, Dolly. Clear? Very good. Now after that, choice number 3. Third choice is for peek operation. Peek means we want to display topmost element from the stack. So choose 3 as a choice. Once you choose 3 option, the peek function will operate. Again it will take 1, means stack value. only stack values. So suppose that in the stack there are two elements 10 and 20. Let us suppose in stack there are two elements 10 and 20. They are present. ये मत सोचना हमने पॉप कर दिया एलिमेंट गायब हो गए तो हम ऑपरेशन नहीं कर पाएंगे. Clear? So suppose that in the stack there are two elements present. One is 10 and second one is 20. Means 20 is inserted at the last. So this time the top value of the stack is 20. See, with the help of peek operation, peek function will execute. Once it will call, it goes to the definition part. The value of STK is 1020. 1020. Check the condition if is empty. No, this time in stack there are two elements present. So that means this condition is false. Condition false. Come to the else part. Else part. Now length of the stack. We know two elements are present. One is 10. Second one is 20. So length of the stack is 2. 2 minus 1. That is 1. 1 is the value of top. Return STK top. Top value is 1. So in the first index, what is the value? According to the program, 10 will store at index number 0 or 20 will store in index number 1. So this means the STK 1. So it will return 20. 20 will return, so that means 20 is the topmost value. This value will come in variable item. The value of item is 20. 20 come to the else part because the item is 20. This condition is false. Come to the else part. Topmost item is 20. Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? Diksha, Kalas, Shweta, Lokesh, Satyam, Karthik, Dolly, Saransh, Shrey. Is it clear? Very good. Now, if you just choose fourth part is display. Means choice is 4. That means display all the elements which are present in the stack. So again, display function will call. It require only one as a parameter, that is called stack. Go to the definition of display. Now suppose that two elements are present. One 10, second one is 20. Clear? Check the condition if empty. No, this time in stack two elements are present, so that means this condition is false. If this condition is false, come to the else part. Now count the length of the stack. So this time the length of the stack is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 is the value of top. The value of top is 1. Length of stack is 2 because two elements are present. One is 10 and second one is 20. Two elements are present. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 will store in variable top. Is it clear? So first it will display top element because stack always work in the concept of last in first out. Is it clear? So it will display topmost element first. So stack index number 1. According to this, the value of top is 1. So at the first index, it will display 20. 20, and this is a message that is top. So 20 is a top value. Then for A in range top minus 1, comma minus 1, comma minus 1. That means value of top is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Minus 1 is written, that means it will execute till 0. आपने पढ़ा था एक स्टेप पहले रुक जाता है, पढ़ा था नहीं पढ़ा था, एक स्टेप पहले रुकता है. तो ये -1 से पहले क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. तो 0 से स्टार्ट होकर 0 तक जाएगा. 0 से स्टार्ट होकर 0 तक जाएगा. तो वैल्यू ऑफ A is 0. Then STK at 0 index it will display 10. Now again it will work like the value of this is -1. According this range function, it will not according to this for loop, this condition is false, so it will display only 10. तो 20 यहाँ डिस्प्ले हो गया था, 10 यहाँ डिस्प्ले हो गया. तो only 2 elements are present और बाकी में कंडीशन हमारी फॉल्स हो गई. तो मींस इफ कंडीशन इज फॉल्स वी कम आउट फ्रॉम द फॉर लूप. So with the help of loop we can display remaining elements of first means topmost element we display with the help of print statement. Is it clear? This display function is clear or not? Kaushal, Kalas, Shweta, Lokesh, Satyam, Karthik. Sorry,
सही बार समझा दो ये.
एक और बार. Wait a minute, huh? Then only last part is left, that is called exit. Once user choose fifth one choice that is called exit. For exit, ch, if the value of ch is 5 equals to 5, that means condition is true. Then it will come to the break. Break is the part of jump statement, so it will jump out from this loop. जो ये while loop लिखा है इससे हमें क्या कर देगा, बाहर ले आएगा. Only this much. Clear? So all these are the operations which we perform in the stack. I hope this program you have understood. If any doubt, please ask.